What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't by now, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Hit that bell button for the notifications. Peace.
It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ, and today we got another cooking video, man. This I'm gonna cook a whole meal. I got some beef roll with some, you know what I'm saying, collard greens and pinto beans. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta make some collard greens. I'm gonna make some. Today I'm gonna make some collard greens, and I'm gonna make some chicken parmesan. I'm gonna make the collard greens. Oh, and I'm gonna make my famous Amos cornbread. This is a hood classic. If you grew up on Jiffy cornbread, like, you gotta know how to make this. If you don't know how to make this, then shit, you probably deserve to stay in the hood. But Jiffy cornbread is life. So I'm gonna show y'all a quick and easy way to make Jiffy cornbread, and it's gonna be good. It'll never be bad. It'll always be good. So let's get started, man. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with the collard greens, okay? Because they're gonna take a lot longer. The reason why it's gonna take some time is because I'm gonna use rib meat. So I'm gonna boil these rib meat. This gonna boil right off the bone, but it's gonna be inside these collard greens. So, you know, you're gonna have collard greens and ribs, you know what I'm saying? After you take a bite of greens and you take a bite of a rib at the same time, it's like, and it's MLK Day, so you gotta have the most nigga shit in the world, okay? We're gonna put the onions in here, right? So I got the bacon, the onions, I got some butter in there. I got some lemon pepper seasoning in there. We're gonna get that all done. But we didn't put too much bacon in there. We got a whole lot of greens. These are cut right off the rib, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, once that cooks, it's gonna be big chunks. So you want big chunks. You don't want a bunch of little stringy pieces in your shit. So, you know, you do like any other people. You got chicken broth. Let's go into this beautiful refrigerator that's full. You know what I'm saying? Black people love mimosas. We got some garlic. I'm not gonna spice it up this time, but if you wanna spice it up, you know, there's different ways you can do it. Spice it up, but don't put it too much. Like, you can drop one jalapeno pepper in there, like uncooked. You cook it in there with it. It's gonna add some spice to it. Now we got the rib meat in there. Okay, we let the onions get a little clear. Alright, so now I got some rinsed collard greens. And that's gonna take an hour. So I am gonna turn this on medium high, okay? Medium high. Remember, we got the Frigidaire, 1965 Frigidaire. It will be going up for sale because I'm gonna remodel this entire kitchen. No more shelves. No more Kenmore. All that shit is out the window, okay? So, all right, what it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Now, y'all done missed out on a little bit of the cooking, but because, you know, hey, this thing is smoking. Oh, fogged it up. Let me back. Okay. All right, so those are my greens. They cooking. I can't put y'all too close. I got it turned down. They almost ready. I'm gonna turn that on low. But then we got the chicken parmesan. I done breaded them. I did all this while I was on the damn phone. My sister, she was talking a lot, so I didn't really get a lot of the stuff. So, you know, once you get the chicken parmesan, now you can fry it, but since I'm on a no grease diet, I can't fry shit. So we not gonna fry it. You don't have to fry it, and you don't have to fry it and bread it or whatever. You just have to make sure it's cooked. So you can cook it all the way through, but I'm not in that type of mode right now. Not frying shit because I'm trying to lose weight. So I'm gonna put some of this sauce on there, and then I'm gonna slap some provolone cheese on there. So let's get it. All right, so now I got my oven going, and 350. We there, okay? Warmed up. We're gonna put this in. It goes in just like that. And that's gonna cook. All right, now let's get to this cornbread real quick, because man, this right here is the shit. All right, so I got my pan already sprayed with some Clover Valley, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta keep that nice and moist, okay? All right, so we got 1 egg and we got a 1/3 cup of milk in the cornbread, okay? Just follow basic directions. I'm gonna pour this in there. Gonna put our special ingredient, which is sugar. Sugar always makes cornbread good. Now you gotta eyeball it. You know what I'm saying? These are tablespoons. I'm gonna put a couple tablespoons in there. You know what I'm saying? And mix. All right, so I'm gonna put the cornbread in. I'm gonna put the cornbread in because they're gonna take about the same amount of time. Actually, I'm gonna wait a few minutes because I skipped a step. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes, then I'm gonna put the cornbread in, and everything gonna be done at the same time. See, I got that rib meat. See that? It's chunky. It done tended up because it was in the refrigerator. It was in the refrigerator, so it was a little stiff. But you know, I had to cook for a minute. That shit, man. You take a bite of. If you take a bite of them greens and you take a bite of a rib at the same time, man, your heart gonna fall out your ass because you done fell in love right into some shit. All right, everyday people, man. This is what we got. The damn Parmesan chicken. These tasty cornbread and greens. Looking so mean. Look at that. Ready to eat and consume. All right.
Murray, down to the pocket. 7 seconds. 6 seconds.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Are you in the middle of the game and your wife keep nagging you about the house that y'all ain't sold or the property y'all ain't sold, and you sitting on the couch trying to catch the game and Murray's just launching one to DeAndre Hopkins? Is that you? If that's you, give me a call at 405-759-0038. Let me sell your house for you and you can continue watching the game.